I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bit Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next. Now search and select pCloud. To get client ID and secret, please visit pCloud API Apps. Click on New App. Give the meaningful app name as you want. Folder access. All folder. Write access. Yes. Now click on Add New App. Click on your app. Copy client ID. And paste it here. Copy client secret. And paste it here. Copy authorized redirect URI. Then go to pCloud API Apps Dashboard. Go to Setting. And paste it here. Click on Save Changes. Now go to Bit Integrations Dashboard. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select field, Upload file. Select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our pCloud. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to pCloud. Thanks for watching.